Hey guys, I'm your host Melvin. Welcome to M2T's Techlet. So today's thing is on Google Chrome's top extensions 2020. So if you're that guy who don't know how to enable them, just head over to the Chrome store and in a single click you can enable it on your browser. By the word browser, I mean that Edge, Brave, Firefox and even Safari. So good for your Mac users. Plus, download links in the description. You're welcome. So the first one is quick QR code. As the name says, this lets you wirelessly transfer your tabs using QR code. Just click on the extension. You have your QR code. If you're an Android 9 or higher user, just open your camera app, scan and boom, we have it. Otherwise, you gotta use Google Lens for it, which is also pretty useful in this case. So the second one is URL render. As the name says, it renders it for you. After enabling it on your browser, just place the cursor over the link and press spacebar. It shows a preview window of the link so that you don't have to go into each and every link while you're searching for a topic. This trick is very useful if you're a frequent Google person. Do you want VPN on your PC browser? Yeah, for sure. Everybody needs it on quarantine, even me too. So this is it, VPN free. This is for you. So it works so good. I've tested it on my PC and it has got 4 countries. And here's a quick tip. Just select one country. I mean, after the 4, select one country, and in that country, go to any website, and choose the country you want to watch. So simple. You can even select India, which is pretty hilarious because we are staying in India. We're not supposed to see. Okay, I think you get that. Okay, definitely check it out. I'm a gentleman. As the name, this extension is so cool that you could save your images with just a single click. Can you believe that? Yeah, that's true. After enabling the extension, click Alt on your keyboard plus left click on your mouse to save an image. That's all. That's it. It's done. Or you could click and drag the image in any direction to save it, which is pretty hilarious and cool at the same time. So the fifth and the best Chrome extension, Momentum, the tab customizer. This takes your homepage experience to a next level. Vara level. So instead of seeing this whole stupid look, you could instead have this. It has a to-do list, it can state your name, which is very cool in my opinion. It has a weather, which I never see at all. And you can have your important links hanging over there. Overall, best Chrome extension ever used, period. So this is just a tip of the iceberg. So part 2 is on its way. So if you like the way I'm doing my videos, subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon would be great. So thanks guys for watching. Happy quarantine.